In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cache Everything in Cloudflare. We'll be working inside the Cloudflare dashboard to create a cache rule using the built-in Cache Everything template. This is useful when you want Cloudflare to cache more of your site's content and potentially improve load times. As you follow along, just make sure you're applying this to the correct website, since caching behavior can affect how your pages are delivered. To get started, open Cloudflare and go to your account home. Once you're there, click on Domains so you can see the list of websites connected to your account. From that area, go into the Overview section and then select the specific domain you want to work with. After you open the domain, look for the caching section in the site menu and click into it. Inside Caching, select Cache Rules. This is where Cloudflare lets you control how and when content is cached. Now click Create Rule. On the next screen, choose Cache Rules if prompted and then look for the Cache Everything option. Instead of building the rule from scratch, click Create from Template on the Cache Everything template. This saves time and gives you a solid starting point using Cloudflare's preset structure. Next, enter a rule name. Pick something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one rule for the same domain. A descriptive name will make future edits much easier. Once the name is in place, configure the rule. At this stage, review the settings included in the template and make sure they match the behavior you want for your site. This is an important moment to double check the scope of the rule, because Cache Everything can be powerful. If your website has dynamic or frequently changing pages, you'll want to be sure the configuration fits your use case before publishing it. When everything looks correct, click Deploy to activate the rule. That's it, your cache. Everything rule is now enabled in Cloudflare. After deployment, it's a good idea to test a few pages on your site and confirm that everything is loading as expected. If you notice outdated content or pages that should not be cached, you may need to return to the rule and fine-tune the configuration. But as a basic setup, this is the standard process for enabling Cache Everything using Cloudflare's template-based cache rules.